Hello and welcome back to Nathanael's Guide to YouTube. Today we have the Geek Group. Geek Group is a little bit smaller of a channel than some of the others we've featured previously, but they have lots of different types. Anything from Tesla coils to equipment teardowns to laser things to... Let's take a look at some of their videos here. So Tesla coil windings, CRT autopsy, all kinds of equipment teardowns, and they're really good for learning a lot about electronics. But I'd have to say my favorite playlist from the Geek Group is Your Dinosaurs Are Wrong. This one is where he gets a plastic toy dinosaur that could be donated or one he found or whatever, and he goes into great detail as to why exactly the dinosaur is shaped wrong, what's wrong with the legs, the whatever, you know, like say the neck is too long, or it isn't standing up correctly, or it's missing all of its feathers like they all are. Whatever. You get the idea. These are awesome. They're very sarcastic, but they're funny at the same time, so definitely worth checking out. Definitely great educational channel. Lots of electronics videos as well. Let's see here. Wood turning videos, I forgot about that. CNC videos. Lots of stuff. Definitely worth checking out. Lots of hours worth of entertainment. Anyway, check them out. Subscribe to them if you like them, and I'll see you again in the next video.